The Akron Zips women's basketball team is back on the hardwood for their 2015-2016 campaign, and they're led by senior guard number 15, Anita Brown. Last season, Anita posted outstanding numbers, averaging 18.8 points per game, which ranked third in the Mid-American Conference. Her performance last season also earned her second-team All-MAC honors as a junior. Anita co-starred on last year's team alongside forward Senna King, who won last season's 2014-2015 Mid-American Conference Player of the Year. I got the chance to catch up with Anita, who talked about her team's outlook for this season without Senna King, and how her teammates take the pressure off her shoulders by providing a strong supporting cast.
No, my teammates do a great job of helping me stay comfortable. I think we lost Senna, and that was a lot, but we have a lot of people that are great role players this year, so they do a great job of just making me feel a lot less pressure.
Okay, you're a dominating powerhouse on offense, and what do you think is the best way you like to score, whether it's isolation, pick and roll, off the dribble, or even off a screen? And also, if you want to go into how Coach Katz puts you in the right position on the floor to let you use your talents to score baskets.
We have a lot of plays that put me in isolation situations, and it allows me to either drive and kick or just make the read. So I like the isolation, and I also like the pick and roll because I like to just make the read and find my teammates.
Speaking of roles, you're also one of 3 seniors on the team. Now, I know you're a little bit shy, but I know people are looking up to you to be a team leader on the team. How do you think you're feeling to your new role as team leader?
I think I'm doing pretty well. I'm not much of a vocal leader, but I think if I just go out and play hard, everyone else will follow my lead. So I know that I'm a huge part of how hard everyone goes each day. So I know if I come out and give 100% effort each day, then everyone else will follow my lead.
Last season was a good one for the Zips, who went 12-6 in conference play while finishing in second place in the MAC East Division. Unfortunately, the Zips had an early exit from the Mid-American Conference tournament by going one and done in a quarterfinal loss to Eastern Michigan. Anita describes the team's emotions following last year's disappointing loss in the conference tournament.
Really, we just all remember the bad taste that was left in our mouth after the tournament game in Cleveland. And we use that as motivation every day to get back and compete and make sure we finish first this year.
According to MacSports.com, Akron is predicted to finish second in the MAC East Division behind the Ohio Bobcats, who won the Mid-American regular season and conference tournament crowns last year. This season, we'll see if Anita Brown and the Zips can capture the East Division crown and make a run at the conference tournament championship.